This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. We're going to do a tour of room 12501, which is a studio cabin. This is the hallway. This is on the Norwegian Prima. This sleeps one person. So it is a very small cabin, but it is designed for those who are traveling by themselves and do not want to pay double occupancy. They can save a little bit of money this way. For a very small cabin, it's got a very nice shower, very nice bathroom. Looks like there's plenty of storage as well, especially for only one. I'm very impressed with the shower, actually. Looks very pretty. And plenty of storage in here, a couple of drawers. A larger drawer. Let's open this up. Oh, not a drawer. It's got the safe. Okay. And then wardrobe. Okay, that does nothing. Your TV that comes out. You even have some storage up there by the wall. Studio on Norwegian Prima.